Hello guys, welcome back from the creation room from the Bound Center. In this video I would like to share my observations and experiences with the star tetrahedron and as a first form of creation or light form, and as it goes into this beautiful shape of connected into eight pieces, which is the first form of physical appearance itself. As it starts, it always starts with a light particle, and this, the first object, what you see here, is the light particle itself. In the universe, the light has to come from a direction. A direction because the whole universe is built out of cubes. What do I mean by that? Awareness appearing, expressing itself into a sphere, into a specific direction, but out of that is the mind as it linear, it builds the first linear object, which is the cube, and within that cube exists the star tetrahedron as it forms out from the 8 edges of corners of that cube. So that's what we see here is this first appearance as light particle, and as from the 8 corners of the universe this light comes into one connection, one form. It builds this structure, which is like I said, the formation of 8 star tetrahedron light particles coming together, and that's the first physical appearance of these light particles, let's say that. And this it came from a specific order, and this order is it's the mind, as science already has been proven to it that whatever the mind puts really a focus on and keeps it long enough, it actually will create. So it's really coming back to the proof that really we are the creators. And how I actually moved on with these things, receiving informations from the universe or whatever you name it. As I built this form, I started to see more and more into it. I've been playing with that for months and months and looking into, and I found in the core the Cuboctahedron, which is after it's come into my realization that is the movement, the base movement of the electron. If I say, because the whole universe, let's say it's an electromagnetic movement. The magnet is the concentrated energy, which is the mind, what it puts focus on, and the light energy, the light particles, which is more electric. Coming towards this center point, this magnetic point, and it's coming into a specific form. And even through numerology, spirituality, which in my other videos you will find how everything is connected into this. So what is actually happened, this Cuboctahedron is literally the first building block, let's say, of the atom itself. The center is the magnetic field, and all around that the electron as it moves, and it creates this seemingly physical reality. And that's the first appearance. And as consciousness moves on and wants to create different forms, different shapes, this form is just replicates itself into that seemingly physical appearance of what it perceives and puts focus on. So the thing here is that everything starts from a star. It's coming from the 8 direction of the star as a cube, as the first building block, and it forms this again. This is a shape of a cube. Everything it's a shape of a cube, and within that the star exists, which is actually like if you look at nature as in balance always, because that's the beautiful point of the creator itself, is that he puts everything in balance, and and actually the star tetrahedron is half the size of a cube. So yeah, that's really what I wanted to put and express in this video, really how everything it starts out of the first form and form the center, form the first physical appearance out of light particles, out of stars, who we really are, all of us. And that's why it's we like so much when we in the night we're looking at the stars, and it just feels so connected, because we are stars, we are light within, and that's who we really are. We are the creators of this creation. Yeah, thank you very much. Ciao, ciao.